Family no aria ni aikari a Komarock guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi makaire thirikari kuhitukira ruhonge rwa uthuthuria DCI kuhanyukia uthuthuria wigie kura kwa umwe wao Yusuf Ahmed uria worire na njira ya kiriga ciumia igiri hituku. Kuringana na andu a nyumba aria megwikinyitie wabici-ini cia DCI mari hamwe na gikundi kia haki Africa matiri marahota gutaukirwo gitumi kia Ahmed kunyitwo migwate na gucoka gutwarwo kundu gutoikaine.
The OCS of Kayole has visited the home, the scene of crime. So the investigations have been happening, but we were perturbed by the fact that they were moving very slowly, and that is why we decided to come here.
Kwirikanite Ahmed akuirwo ni andu metuite ni nyumba ya guikara macaragia aria macokire kumuthinyiriria aingire ngari iria mari nayo na thutha ucio magithara nake. Andu a family makiuga matikoretwo na thayu.
If you can be seized from your home, you who is a guarantor of the safety of your wife and your children, then why should we as citizens remain unarmed?
We cannot go back to those dark days of enforced disappearances in our country. Huo wakati umepitwa na sasa ni wakati wa kuheshimu katiba, wakati wa kuheshimu sheria na kuheshimu haki za binadamu.
Murugamiriri haki Africa Hussein Khalid augite kiria metereire ni riboti kuuma ruhonge-ini rwa DCI ya gutariria haria uthuthuria ukinyite kuona andu a nyumba ino makoretwo mihango-ini ya kumwetha mari na matanya ati aria mamunyitite migwate ni mekumurekereria.
We are just wondering and we are very curious how come the DCI doesn't know, or as according to the director, he is not aware. So that has made us think this is not a small matter.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.